The packaging looks good. Let me tear off the seal. The box has a satisfying resistance when opening the top and bottom lids. Now let's remove the protective film first. Plug in the power and connect the monitor. There's a power button at the bottom. Press it. Connected to the display and powered on. Let's activate it. Checking the specs. 16 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Now begins the storage upgrade process. Flip the device over and use a thin blade to slide through the gap. Gently release the fur clips. Be careful when opening the back cover. There's a power cable here. Remove multiple securing screws. Take off the cover to reveal the battery and Wi-Fi module. Remove the heatsink fan screws. Note there's a flex cable connecting the fan to the motherboard when removing it. Now we see the modular SSD board. Remove the original 256 GB SSD module. It has 128 GB chips on both sides. Starting to remove the SSDs. First clear the edge sealant around the chips. Repeat for the other side. Protect the power IC. Then use a heat gun and knife blade to remove the chips. Repeat for the second SSD. Apply flux to the solder pads and level them with desoldering braid and soldering iron. Repeat for the other SSD pad. Clean the pads thoroughly and remove residual black sealant. Next, prepare two new 1 TB SSDs by applying solder balls. Apply rosin for better soldering. Align and heat the chips. Use tweezers to gently nudge them. A springy snap indicates successful soldering. Clean excess flux and apply specialized sealant for reinforcement. Waterproofing and dustproofing. Cure with UV light for 20 minutes. Here's the cured result. Reinstall the upgraded SSD board. Reassemble the heatsink fan. Reassemble the covers. Reassemble the back cover. Enter DFU mode and connect to computer for system installation. Progress bar appears, confirming successful upgrade. After system installation, skip activation steps. Check the new storage capacity, 2 TB confirmed. Testing read and write speeds. 3200 ms write and 2900 ms read speeds. Excellent performance.